So hello guys, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. So welcome back to my new video. Today's topic is how to upload videos on Google Drive and share the link on mobile. Alright, so let's quickly start our video. First of all, you have to open Google Drive. Alright, after opening Google Drive, look here. Next to the plus icon above the files, you will find a new option. Alright, you have to click on this. After clicking, look after the folder, you will find the upload option. You have to click on this upload option. After clicking, look, I will upload any photo here. Photo or video, I will upload a video. My video has been uploaded here. Okay, look, my video has been uploaded to Google Drive. So go to files here. After going to files, look at whatever you have uploaded. You will see the share option. You need to click on the share option. After clicking, see that the option you are getting, I have shown you by noting it down. It means it won't be shared. So for that, you have to click on the not share option. After clicking on this, see below restrict, you will find only people added can open with the link. So you need to change it here. Alright, click on the change option. After clicking, see there's a restrict option, click on it. After clicking, see below, it says invite with the link. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, see here, the permission has been uploaded. So click on the invite link. After clicking, you'll see the copy option above. Click on it and see my link has been copied. Now it's up to you. With whom will you share your link? Alright, that's how we share links. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.